Hi guys, this is Praveen Rajagopal and today we are going to see about how to change Fujinon XL-4450, the xenon light. So make sure you subscribe to get all the notifications and all the technical videos. So this video we will see how to change it. Before that, first of all we have to switch it off, and machine's right side you can see the screw here, and you can open that one and you can see the light. So there's a lid, so you have to open like this and you can see the light inside, and you have to unscrew this two screws. And after you unscrewed it, you can pull it out to take the bulb out. And here you can see the front and the back. Front is connected with the lock, so you can easily remove that one after locking that one, and back side is connected to the screws, which is connected by Allen keys. So what we have to do is we have to remove that one and put the new one. Okay, so the package also included the thermal paste, so we will connect to here and we'll see. As you can see, you have to apply the thermal paste like this. So make sure you are applying it in every metal part. Okay, then we have to fix. So connect exactly what I am doing. You have to connect like this. Three screws will be there. You have to put it like this. So after putting the screws, the light will be like this, and if you have any residues in the bulb, you can clean it out. And here it is fine. Still I have to clean the inside, and then we are good to go. So we can put it in the machine and let's see the output. So this is how we have to put and screw it again. And close the lid and close the door. And that's it. So now it's checking time. As you can see, the light is on. So now it is working good, and it will last up to 5,000 hours. And make sure to subscribe my channel to get more updates, and we'll do something else in the next video. See you soon, guys.